So the first step is you need to get a QR code reader app from the App Store or Google Play Store. You can also use the built-in one on an iPhone, but I would recommend getting a third-party one. In this video, for demonstration purposes, I will be using this QR code. So to start off, you'll need the electronic device in the book. Turn to the first page and then open up the QR code app. And then just scan the QR code in the bottom right corner of the page. Scan it, a website will pop up, and then from there it's just as simple as pressing the play button.
Chapter 1. The Magic of Winter Begins.
After that plays through, just X right out of that or close that thing, turn the page, and scan the next QR code, and it will then read you the second page. That is how you use the new QR code feature on the new Woodland Elves book, A Magical Tale of Winter. Thank you.